Imagine this. You're walking in a park and suddenly someone collapses right in front of you. Their heart has stopped. What would you do? In that moment, every second matters. The truth is, you don't need to be a doctor to save a life. You just need to know CPR. Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation, or CPR, can double or even triple a person's chance of survival in a cardiac emergency. In this video, I'll guide you through CPR step by step, so you'll know exactly what to do when it matters most. Step 1. Check safety and response. First, check your surroundings to make sure it's safe. Then tap the person firmly on the shoulder and shout, "Are you okay?"
Are you okay?
If there's no response and the person isn't breathing normally, call for help right away. Dial your emergency number, and if an
Hello? I need
AED,
an
an
ambulance.
automated external
Someone has collapsed in the
defibrillator, is
pub.
nearby, have someone bring it immediately. Step 2. Positioning. Lay the person flat on their back. Kneel beside them. Place the heel of your hand in the center of their chest, between the nipples. Put your other hand on top and lock your fingers. Keep your arms straight and your shoulders directly above your hands. Step 3. Chest compressions. Now start compressions. Push hard and fast, at least 2 inches or 5 centimeters deep, at a rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute. To keep the rhythm, think of the song "Stayin' Alive." After each push, let the chest fully rise before pressing again. Step 4. Rescue breaths, optional if trained. If you're trained in CPR, after 30 compressions, open the airway, tilt the head back, lift the chin, pinch the nose, and give 2 breaths. Each breath should make the chest rise. Then go straight back to compressions. If you're not trained, don't worry, just continue with hands-only CPR. Step 5. Keep going. Repeat this cycle and don't stop until medical professionals arrive, an AED is ready to use, or the person begins to breathe or move again. Remember, your quick action could be the difference between life and death. CPR is one of the simplest yet most powerful skills you can learn. By acting in those first few minutes, you have the power to save a life. If you found this video helpful, please share it, because the more people who know CPR, the safer our world becomes. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to AI Meditalks, and turn on the notification bell for more life-saving health tips explained in simple, science-based ways. Together, let's spread knowledge that saves lives.